Hello, welcome to Do It Yourself channel. Today I will show you where to find the option and how to remove applications permission to use our localization in Samsung Galaxy S22. Where to find this option? So we need to go to Settings, then Location, and as you can see we have here App Permissions. Some are by default turned on, for example Google and Bixby Voice. They are allowed all the time, and here we have allowed while only in use, for example our camera. To remove this permission we need to tap on the camera and do not allow. Of course we can change to ask every time, but we don't want it at all, so do not allow. And as you can see now, the camera is not allowed to know our location. I hope this video was helpful to you. Please leave a like and subscribe. Have a nice day and see you in the next video. Goodbye.